Celebrate Customers Day with incredible deals and exciting prizes up for grabs. Don't miss out! Upgrade your space with a wide range of stylish and durable tiles. Discover aluminum doors that are sleek, modern, and built to last. Get the job done with KBC Cement. Explore aluminum sliding doors and windows for a perfect blend of style and function. Refresh your bathroom with premium toilets and shower screens. Stay in control of your electricity with a Citic Electric prepaid meter. Stainless steel sinks designed for durability and modern kitchens. Brighten up your home with a vibrant selection of paints. And beautiful wooden doors that combine elegance with strength. Visit us in-store at 19 Liverpool Road, Benoni, or shop online at www.builditdtm.co.za.